Hello, this is the Igbo Tutor Live. Wherever you are and you're supposed to be in this class, it's time to join the class. Join the class now wherever you are. And you know you are supposed to be in this class. It's time to join the class. And let's have this special class. Wherever you are now, the Igbo Tutor is live. Join us now and let's have this class together. The Igbo Tutor is live. So you join me wherever you are now. You know you are supposed to be in this class. It's time to join up now. And let's do this together. The Igbo tutor is live. Wherever you are, this class is going to start fully in 4 minutes' time. So I am here waiting for you wherever you are to join this class, this special Igbo class, where we challenge ourselves to speak Igbo language, to learn new things, learn from others, learn from the teacher, and then get ourselves, you know, acquainted with the latest development in Igbo language. You may have, subscribed to one YouTube channel or the other, but this is specially meant for you as a member of this channel. It's a time we drill ourselves and then learn new things, challenge ourselves, measure our level of progress in Igbo language. So if you're a member of the channel or you're just joining us now, you do well to connect to this live class. All members are expected to be here exactly by 2 p.m. in 3 minutes' time. I expect all members to be here. So if you're a member of this channel and you are not yet here, you do well to begin to join now. And let's start this class in earnest. There will be no waiting for anyone. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. So join this class now. Members of this channel, you are welcome to this special class. Today we are beginning a new series. So it's good you join early enough so you don't miss any part of this discussion. Yes, I'm expecting you to come in now. Please, as you come in, you drop your greetings. And if you are watching our live broadcast or live stream for the first time, you should know that the comment section, you can swipe it left, to display the replay of chat during live class. So you can also have a feeling of what transpired during the live class, all the chats, all the discussions. You will not miss any of them. So if you are watching this video from our homepage, maybe you are not able to join us during live class, you would do well to move the comment section one step towards the left so that it can display replay of chats during live class. That is important to keep you abreast of what we did during live class. So do that now to have a feeling of life. So we are waiting for you to come on board. Members of this class, of this channel, begin to come in now. And let's begin this class in earnest. And as you come in, you do well to drop your greetings. Let's know you are here. Say hello, hi, just say something so that we can, welcome you officially. I am waiting for you guys now to come in. Okay? I am waiting for you guys to come in. I will say, Anam Echeunu. Anam Echeunu. Anam Echeunu. I'm waiting for you people. Anam Echeunu. Which means I am waiting for you people. Right on ground now, waiting for you to join up, join in, and let's do this together. I am waiting for you. As you join this class, you do well to say hi or hello. Just drop a greeting. That way, I will know you are already here in class. Anna came very early last week. I hope she's not discouraged today because of what happened last time. We've corrected all that. So I expect you guys to be here now, right on time. Waiting for you people. Where are you? Joy, Dr. Nedum, Anna. Okay, Nake and the rest, please begin to join this class now. It is exactly 2 p.m., the agreed time. So if you are not yet here now, you are coming in late. Okay, Anna is here. Oh, Anna, you have done it again today. First to be in class. Yeah, sorry for what happened last time. Can you hear me now, Anna? Confirm that you are hearing me loud and clear. Can you hear me? Please confirm you are hearing me loud and clear. Anna, perfectly. Woo, thank you for that. Yes, I took the challenge and then we did some investment more and get a good mic to be able to communicate with you perfectly well. You deserve the best. So you cannot get less than what you deserve. So we got a better mic. You can see this heavy mic here, and that is meant to give you the best audio. We don't need to, be screening or bending our ears to hear what I'm saying. So we should get the best. So Anna, what do you say to your teacher today? Do you think I've done the right thing I should do? Of course, I'm also learning, and we're always trying to, get things done in a better way. We are all learning. I see every problem as a way of, a challenge to learn more, know what you don't know, learn new things. So it's fine. I have learned something new from there. So I don't see any challenge as a problem. I see it as a learning process. So thank you very much. Those of you who are in class who have not dropped your greetings, I don't know what happened. I've seen Joy, Anna, only two of them have dropped greetings. Okay, Nedum is here. Nedum, no. Who else is in class? I have about 6 people here. I need to see and hear you directly. Okay, okay, okay. You set your alarm. I set my alarm at exactly 10:30 p.m. for this class. Wow, that's a wonderful thing to do, Anna. I really appreciate that. You are showing enough commitment. Right. Nedum, you are welcome to class. Okay, Anna is always the first. Joy followed. Then Nedum came in. Well done, Anna. Yeah, Anna is great. Anna is really, really wonderful. What do I do to Anna now? I think I have to give Anna a wave of hand. Okay. I need to give Anna a wave of hand for being first in class today. She was also first in class last week, so it's commendable. It's commendable. Anna, you are doing quite well. Okay, appreciate that. So who else is in class here now? Okay, give our live class a thumbs up as we start the class now. We're about 5 in class already, except if some people have not greeted us. I don't know those who are there. Anna is here, Joy, Nedum, 3 people. Who else is in class who have not greeted us? Who else is in class? I know we always have a silent student by name. What is that name? Somebody B, something B. I don't know that name again. I've forgotten. She's always silent in the class. It's not Lady B. I've forgotten the name right now. I don't know whether she's in class already. Clement Emehe is in class. Great one. Otutuoma. Mm-hmm. Okay, Otutuoma. Ogam Obere Obele. Hey. Okay, Clement said I should take it small, small, slow, slow. Okay, Clement, you're welcome. Who else is in class who has not said hello to us or hi to us? Who else is in class? Okay, we should be around 11 people in this class, plus myself, making 12. So it appears some of us have not come, but we will not wait for them. We'll go on with the class because our time is fixed and we don't want to waste other people's time. Princess Ezenwa, hey, Ndewo, you're welcome to class. What do I say to you now? Princess, you're welcome. Okay. I think a wave of hand is okay for you. Princess, you're welcome to class. Princess, can you hear me very well? Am I audible enough? You confirm that yourself, please. Let's be sure. Even though you didn't come for our test class, but some people did it for us. Please, I want us to, and they are Dr. Nedum and Joy Onyebuchi. They were the people that took out their time to help me, follow me to run a test of our new mic. Okay, so And they were able to confirm that everything is working well before the actual class. So they took out their time, I think 30 minutes of their time, to join me to test our new mic. So please, can you help me give Dr. Nedum and Joy thumbs up for their, sacrifice? Do help me do that. Give them thumbs up before this class will start. They made sacrifice, extra one, to be sure our mic and everything is working perfectly. Okay? Do help me give them thumbs up as we start the class right now. Waiting for your thumbs up for Nedum and who again? Nedum and Joy. Those of you who have joined the class, please indicate you are in the class. Don't just sit down there. Indicate you are in the class. Drop your greetings. Say hi. Say ndewo. Say dalo. Let me know those who are here. Waiting for your thumbs up. You've not given Dr. Nedum and Joy Onyebuchi their thumbs up for making our time to test our mic with me. Yeah, thank you, Anna, for that thumbs up. Double one for that matter. Appreciate that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, while I wait for others, we start our class today. We are beginning a new series today, and that is Kanyiga Ahia. Let's go to market. Kanyiga Ahia. That is the series we are dealing with today. Kanyiga Ahia. Let's go to market. Kanyiga Ahia. Okay? So if you are here with me today, you will join me to go to market. Kanyiga here. That is what we are dealing with today. So I first write Kanyiga here. Okay? But I will not write it first. I want you to type Kanyiga here. Okay? Who will help me type that? That's the beginning. That's the first sentence. Kanyiga here. Yes, help me type it. Kanyiga here. I hope I'm clear enough. Kanyiga here. Okay. Wow. Nedum have written. Who else is writing? Kanyiga here. Princess has written. Kanyiga here. Clement has written. Kanyiga here. Who else is coming in here? Yes. Kanyiga here. I got three. Who else is coming in with a response? Kanyiga here. Joy has written Kanyiga here. This is wonderful. Okay. Okay. Joy has written Clement, Nedu, Princess. Who has not written here? Hannah, where are you? Hannah has not written Kanyiga here. Hannah, try and write something. Okay. Kanyiga here. Yes. Are you writing it now? Kanyiga here. I'm waiting for Anna's response. Yes. Before I give the final answer, what did Anna say? Okay. I'm waiting for you. Is it network? Kanyiga here. Right now. Type it, send it. Kanyiga here. I think almost everybody got it right. Almost everybody. But I'm waiting for Anna. I don't know what is holding her chart. I don't know what is holding her chart. Kanyiga here. Okay. I think virtually all of you got it right. Kanyiga here. And I think this is what I have, which is virtually what you guys have written there. If you have written something like this, you are very correct. Okay. Did you see the screen I shared now? How many of us have seen it? The screen I shared, my own answer. Did you see that? Did you see that? Compare that with your own and confirm that it aligns with that perfectly. Yes. Did you see that? Did you see the screen? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good. 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 All right. I hope everybody has seen the screen. So this is your marking script. You compare it with whatever you have written. If it goes outside this, you know you missed it. And use this to update your own record. If there's any error, I won't be correcting it one by one. I will do a global correction. So if you fall outside what I've written, what is on the screen, It means you have to make your own correction yourself. Is that clear? I'm moving out from the screen now. I believe everybody has seen it. I believe we have marked our scripts in case it's not in line with what I have here now. Okay, I go back. So, second sentence is ahịa ebe ka anyị na-aga. Ahịa ebe ka anyị na-aga. Let's go. Ahịa ebe ka anyị na-aga. Let's go. Write it the way I said it. Ahịa ebe ka anyị na-aga. Ahịa ebe ka anyị na-aga. Write exactly what I said. Ahịa ebe ka anyị na-aga. Okay, the doom is in, princess is in. Who else is coming in? I'm waiting for Clement, waiting for Joy. I'm waiting for, okay, Joy is in. Okay, Anya ebe ka anyị na-aga. Okay, I think, Joy, that should be a typo. That you are here is not okay. I believe it's a typo. I think you know what you wanted to type. I believe you are more, Joy is more than this. It should be a typo. Ahia ebe, yes, I know it's a typo. You are better than this. You passed this stage. Okay, who else is coming in with the response? Ahia ebe ka anyị na-aga. Who else is coming in with the response? Clement. Ahia ebe ka anyị na-aga. Who the fourth? Who else is coming in? Anna. Okay, I think you are listening. You are not writing. You want to take my final correction? Yes. Okay. Ahia ebe ka anyị na-aga. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I believe those who want to write has written. So let's mark. Let's mark our scripts. Okay? Let's mark our scripts. All right. This is the marking. Please mark your scripts. Mark your script from the screen. Mark your script from the screen. Did you see what I displayed? Is it clear? Okay, Anna is taking note. Yeah, that's more reason why I have to do a screen share so that we can get the final answer and take our notes properly. So Anna, I have you in mind. Okay. I hope it's better like this. Anna, are you okay with this? Do you think it's serving you better? Anna, please confirm. Do you think the approach is okay? This is a new introduction. Do you think it's fine like this? Do you think you are gaining from this? I will jump into what I know. I will jump into what I know. Which one will you jump into what you know? I'm talking about the way I'm displaying the answer, the final answer. Do you think it's okay that way? That's what I mean. Yeah. That's exactly what I mean. So those of you who are, Ahibeka Inaga. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Dr. Blahi, you are welcome to class. I didn't know when you just entered unawares. Okay, that's good. Dr. Blahi, please look at the screen. That is the final answer. Look at your screen. That is the final answer. So make correction for what you wrote. I see a little bit error in what you wrote. So look at the screen and correct yourself. Dr. Blahi, is that okay? Did you get what I'm saying? Look at the screen. I won't be correcting us one by one because of time. We want to cover more. So we do a global correction. So, and that is one of the suggestions of one of you that I should be supplying answer directly also. And that's why we came up with this idea. So Dr. Blahi, have you done your correction? Yeah, please explain the extra in the word ebe. Okay. Ebe. Oh, yeah. I think I did not even give the meaning of the sentence. I think I skipped that. I want to believe all of us know the meaning of kanyiga here. Do we know that? Let somebody tell us the meaning of kanyiga here. I skipped that part. We should be able to say the meaning of what we wrote. So let's go back to the first sentence, kanyiga here. Let somebody tell us the meaning of that sentence. Yeah. Yes. Let us go to market. Yeah, princess, that's true. Let us go to market. You are correct. Let us go to market. You are correct. So if you are Anna, update your record. Kaniga here is let's go to market. Market is ahia. Kaniga is let us go. So sentence 2 is ahia ebe kaninaga. We have written that. Let's interpret it now. Who is going to give us the meaning? Ahia ebe kaninaga. Someone should tell us the meaning of the second sentence. The one on the screen right now. Ahia ebe kaninaga. Who is giving us the answer? Yes. Who is challenging us with the answer? Ahia ebe kaninaga. Who is giving the answer to this question? Oh, I mean the meaning of this question, not the answer yet, the meaning. Okay, what market are we going? Hey, Dr. Blahi, that's great one. Okay, it could be, which market are we going? That's very perfect, Dr. Blahi. Which market are we going? Great. Dr. Blahi, I salute. You did it very well. So each person is going to respond to this question by him or herself. You will write your own response. If you look at the red text down, say, please type your reply in chat. I don't know your own market name. So I want you to make your own personal sentence to reply this question. Which market are we going? So reply it. Use your own market, the market name in your own locality to reply this question. The market you always go to in your own locality. I don't know your own market. Just use your own market name to reply this question. Which market are we going? Ahia ebe ka anyị na-aga. Lead us to your own market. Give us an answer that is taking us to your own market. Give us your own market name. Okay, somebody wrote, Princess wrote, Ana m aga is it Kroger or Konga? I didn't see it well. Okay, Kroger. I'm right. Kroger. Ana m aga Kroger. Joy say, anyị na-aga Target. Joy, is that Target? Okay, I'm right. It's Target. Anyị na-aga Target. Answers are coming in. Let's know who will get the perfect answer. Nedum wrote, anyị na-aga Jendor. Oh, wow. You like Jendor too. I go there too myself. Jendor is a supermarket that's popular in Nigeria. I do go there too. So who else is taking us to another place? Princess is taking us, but Princess is even selfish. We said, which market are we going? Princess refused to take us to her own market. She says she's going to the market alone. Can you imagine that? We're talking about taking all of us to your own market. You are saying you are going to your own market alone. You are selfish. But that is not the princess I know. I hope princess will correct that. I say, which market are we going? And you excluded us in your own market. Okay. Let me see what Clement said. Anyị ga-aga Ogbete ahịa. Okay. Ogbete ahịa. That's good. Dr. Blahi. Anyị na-aga ahịa. What is this? Let me see, Dr. Blahi. Mayogoi. Mayogoi. Okay. Mayogoi. That's great. Where is Mayogoi, Dr. Blahi? I never heard this market before. Dr. Blahi. Mayogoi is in which part of? Is it in Lagos? Which state are you? Dr. Blahi, which state are you? I never hear this market name. Okay. In that case, you are welcome. Deo. Aina Galeria Echi. Is that Galeria? Galeria Echi. Okay, that's great. Thank you, Nake, for taking us to Galeria. Princess said, no, I know you will beg because I didn't know you to be selfish. Okay. Ndo mean to say Anina got Kroger. You are correcting it now. That's good. That's fine. Okay, Dr. Blind, you have not told me where your market is. Which state of Nigeria is that? I don't know it is. So please help us out with the particular market where you're going. Third sentence, thank you guys for your response. That's encouraging. Okay. Do we put ahia before or after the name of the market? Yes, that is it. We put ahia before the market name. Ahia Kroger, ahia Jendor, ahia this, ahia that. That's true. That's the answer to that, Joy. Mayo Boy in Jalingo, Taraba. Oh, I see. Taraba State. No wonder I never heard that name before. I never go to the northern state. I don't know when I've go there. All right. That's great. Next question. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? I'm asking you this question. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? First of all, you write the question the way I said it before. We will now, let's get the question right first. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Let's go. Type it now. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Type it the way I said it. Princess is in. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Great. Joy is in. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Great. Nedum. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Wonderful people. These guys are on fire today. All right, let's go. 3 answers received. Who else is coming in? Nake, where are you? Okay, Nake is in. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Nake has missed out something. I said, gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? I know you're going to delete that because that is not what I said. Dr. Blahi, gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Ịzụta, you wrote ịzụta. Okay, good effort. We're going to see the response, the final answer. I'm going to mark the script now. Who else am I waiting for? Okay, Hannah is taking note. Who has not dropped in? Nake is revising. Where is Clement Emehe? Where is your response? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Okay, good. Nake, I know you're a senior student. You cannot disappoint me. All right. I'm waiting for Clement Emehe to come in with a response. Yes. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Okay. Clement, I'm waiting for you. Come in with your response before we mark finally. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Yes. Clement, where are you? Where are you? We are marking it now. We are marking the script now. We are marking now. That is the final answer. Mark against your own writing. Mark against your writing. Whatever you have written, if it is different from what I displayed, make your corrections accordingly. I believe Anna is making her corrections now or updating her notes now. Okay? Yes, I believe so. Yes. Okay. Haven't displayed the final answer. Let's now decode the answer. Yeah, Dr. Blah, you have made a correction. Let's decode our answer. Translate it to English. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Give us the meaning in English. Let's go there. Let's go. Let's go. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? The doom is in the doc. What do you want to buy? Great effort. Princess, what do you want to buy? Great effort. Who else is coming in with the response? The meaning of this sentence. Let's go. The meaning of the sentence. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Let's go there. Onye na-abịa, onye na-abịa, onye na-ede nke ya. Anyị na-eche gị. Mee ọsịsọ, mee ọsịsọ, mee ọsịsọ. Tell us the meaning. Gwa anyị ihe okwu a, ahịrị okwu a pụtara. Ahịrị okwu a nke bụ gịnị ka ị chọrọ ịzụta? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'olu bekee? What does it mean in English? I got 2 responses already. Only 2. What are the rest waiting for? You have surrendered. Joy has written, what do you want to buy? Great one. Great one. Anybody still coming in? Anybody still coming in? Your answers are correct. What do you want to buy? Now look at the red letter, red sentence, red text under. Please type your reply in the chat. This is going to be individuals. You're going to type for us what you want to buy in the market. So does that mean Zuta means buy? Yes. Nedum, that's true. Zuta means buy. So Izuta means to buy. Zuta is buy. Izuta is to buy. Is that clear? Dr. Blahi, you are correct. What do you want to buy? Let's go to answer the question. You are going to answer this question individually. Respond to this question individually in the chat. So you can buy different things. Don't mention one thing. Buy different things according to whatever you want to buy. What are you buying? Okay. Okay, Hannah, look at the screen. It is, look at the responses. It is, what do you want to buy? That is the right answer. Okay. What do you want to buy? That is the right answer. Some people have written that. Joy has written correctly. Uh, who else? Nedum has written. Okay. Who? Dr. Blahi has written correctly. Okay. It's not what are you buying, it's what do you want to buy. Okay. So, okay, if it is what are you buying, it is gịnị ka ị na-azụta? Gịnị ka ị na-azụta? That is what are you buying. But gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Ịzụta chọrọ means want. Ịzụta to buy. So it is what do you want to buy? I hope Hannah is hearing me clearly. I hope so. Hannah confirmed that. Okay. Now we are giving responses. Each person should write what he wants to buy, he or she wants to buy. It must not be the same sentence with another person. If you copy another person's sentence, you are disqualified. Write your own sentence and mention a different item you want to buy from the market. Yours must not be the same with another person's sentence. Let me read. Joy, chorom izuta, efere, good one, but your sentence is not perfect. It should be achorom. Nedum achorom izuta ụgbọala, ụgbọelu, nna obi gị siri ike o. Ị nwere akpa obi, chọrọ ịzụ ụgbọelu. No be small matter. Nedum, okay, ụgbọelu. Let's see. We're going to explain all these words you mentioned here one by one. Princess, achọrọ m ịzụta akwụkwọ nri na mkpụrụ osisi. Hey, princess, you are too much. You like good things, so that's why you are shining. Okay. Nnake said, achọrọ m ịzụrụ azụ na anụ ewu. Nah, don't be small. Ọ dị ka you like isi ewu. Nnake, you like enjoyment. Ọ dị ka you like isi ewu na-amasị gị ọkwa ya. Nnake, ị na-eri isi ewu well, isi ewu. How many of us know isi ewu? That food they call isi ewu. How many of you know it? If you know isi ewu, say I know. I know isi ewu. If you have been eating isi ewu in the Americas or UK, where you are, please indicate I know isi ewu. Dr. Black wrote achorom or ubala. Oh, but he didn't put izota. Okay, Hannah wrote achorom ofe onubu. Wow. But he didn't write you want to buy ofe onubu. You only say I want ofe onubu. You should have written achorom izuta ofe onubu. That would have been very perfect, Anna. Okay. Now, this is interesting. Only Nedum say he knows Ishewu. What are the rest guys doing? Nake, you don't know Ishewu and they are writing it. Okay. Let's go. See what you guys wrote you want to buy. Okay. Let me check that. Why? Let's see. Okay. Joy wrote efere, that is plate. Then Nedum wrote ubelu, that is plain. Princess wrote akwụkwọ nri, that is vegetable, and mkpụrụ osisi, that is fruits. I hope you are taking note of that. And then Nnake family wrote achọrọ m ịzụ azụ, that is fish, na anụ ewu, and goat meat. I hope you are taking note. Dr. Blind said achọrọ m ụgbọala. You didn't say you want to buy it. You say you want ụgbọala. You should have written I want to buy ụgbọala. Ụgbọala is car. Okay, Hannah say achọrọ m ofe onugbu. And I like soup. Women like soup generally. I know you guys. Okay. Okay, achọrọ m ofe onugbu. That's bitter leaf soup. That's a good one. Okay. Isi ewu, they are too tough. Okay, Dr. Blahi, you tried. But you should write it this way. Isi ewu na atọ ụtọ. Okay? This is the way you should write it, Dr. Ablahi. What is happening here? My charts. Okay, I think I'm writing somewhere else. Okay, Dr. Blahi. I'm going to write what I wanted to write again. Isi ewu na toto. Okay, more time. Dr. Blahi, this is the way to write it. Isi ewu na toto. That is, isi ewu is sweet. Did you see that? Okay, that is for Dr. Blahi. Who else am I correcting here? Okay. Achọrọ m ụgbọala. You rather say achọrọ m ịzụta ụgbọala. You have to mention to buy. Okay. That is great. That is great. You guys are too much. Okay. Let's go to the next one. I think this is interesting. And that is erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Let's go. Write for us. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dr. Blahi, did you see my correction concerning Isiewu? I hope you see that. Okay. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. That is princess. Okay. Let's go. Princess is in. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Nedumi is here. Is in. Who else is coming in now? Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Two people have responded. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fire on. Fire on. Joy. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Great. Yes, I'm waiting for others to come in. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Let's go. Erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Who else is coming in with a response? Princess is in. Nedum is in. Joy is in. Where is Dr. Blahi? Where is Nake family? Where is Emehe Clement? And the rest. Is Clement still in the class? Please confirm. Anna, you can still try. Even though you are making notes, you can also try to write something. It might not be very perfect, but just a way of challenging your brain, challenging your level of progress. It's good. I see you writing a few of those things that are good. Just make effort. Yes, nobody is coming in again with a response. I only have 3: Princess, Dr. Nedu, Joy, my great nurses and doctor. Okay, Nake is in. Erutego m n'ahịa ugbu a. Okay. Okay. I said erutego m ahịa ugbu a. Okay. That's great. That's great. That's great. Am I still expecting more? I should mark the script. I should mark the script. Yes. Should I mark now? Should I mark now? Should I mark the script now? Anybody still coming in? Anybody still coming in? I have all responses. Anyone still coming in? Okay. I think I should go on. I should go on to mark the scripts. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Let's go there. Okay, we have it done. So you look at that, mark your scripts, update your record. You can use Ubua or Kita. That's why I put / Kita. Ubua or Kita. Both are acceptable. Okay. So update your record. Okay. Dr. Blahi, good effort. But look at the screen. Look at the screen and see how it should be written perfectly. And make your corrections. Update your record. Good effort. But update your record. Look at the screen now and update your record. Make sure your sentence is perfect. Ubua or Kita. You choose which one you want to use. Both of them are correct. Okay? Both of them are correct. Yes, Ubua or Kita. Both of them are correct. So choose which one you want to use. for your sentence. Now let's go to the second stage, which is the meaning of the sentence. Let somebody who is going to get the meaning first. Let's shoot. Go. Let's write. What is the meaning of this sentence? Let's go there. Who is getting it first? Who is shooting it first? Yes. Let me see. Erutegom ahia ubua. Who is shooting it first? The meaning, the meaning, the meaning. Give us the meaning. I have arrived at the market now. That is the Nake family. Good effort. Any other option? Any other option? Any other option? Any other option? The meaning of the sentence. Erutegom ahia ubua. Erutegom ahia ubua. Erutegom ahia ubua. Yes, I don't know what erutego means. That's fine. We will interpret that. Let's wait for others. Let's wait for others. I think by the time we get all the answers correct, we now explain and get it done. Joy, I have reached the market now. Great effort. Who else is coming in with a response? Who else is coming in with a response? Erutegom ahia ubua. Erutegom ahia ubua. Great effort, great responses. Any other person coming in with a response? Okay, let's explain. Erutegom, this guy, doctor said, okay, Dr. Blah, he said, Amaim, that's fine. Joy, I've arrived market, the doom, okay, Nake, I've arrived at market now. The doom side, I don't know what is erutego. What erutego means? Erutego means I have arrived. Erutego is arrived. Arrived. So erutego means I have arrived. Okay? That is the meaning of rutego. Erutego, have arrived. Okay? Okay? He have arrived. O rutego, he or she has arrived. O rutego. Okay? So Dr. Bly, let's get that. Nedu, doctor, let's get that. So Ahia, you know, Ubua, you know, but Erutego is have arrived. So Nake is correct. Princess is correct. Joy is correct. All of you guys have tried. Odema, Kanigani. Let's move. And the next sentence is olee ebe a na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ? Olee ebe a na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ? Let's go there. Olee ebe a na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ? Write that sentence the way I said it. Olee ebe a na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ? Write the sentence the way I said it. Let's go. Write it the way I said it. Olee ebe a na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ? Waiting for you. I hope network is not affecting us. Is anybody leaving the class now? I hope no problem. Are we encountering any problem or is network issue? Let me know if you're having any challenge. You're not hearing me well or anything. Hope there's no technical problem here. I hope so. Ole Nedum is in. Ole ba nere akpụkpọ ụkwụ. I hold on to that. Let me wait for other people's response. That's a good effort by Dr. Nedu. Let me wait for others. Princess, olebe anere akpụkpọ ụkwụ is a question. Please put your question mark. Put your question mark. They are all questions. Okay, let's go. Olebe anere akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Put your question mark. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Waiting for others. Olebe anere akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Dr. Blahi, olee ebe a na-ere akwụkwọ ọkụ? Good effort. You tried. We're going to get the final answer. So when we get the final answer, we make corrections where necessary. Okay? Please, if you think this class is going on well, can you hit the thumbs up? Can you hit the like button for this live class? Everyone in the class, please, if you think the class is going on as expected, if you think you are learning, if you think you are enjoying the class, hit the like button, whether it's below your window or on top. I don't know where your own is. Just hit the like button if you think this class is going on well, if you think you are learning from this class, if this class is meeting your expectation, please hit the like button. Do it now, please. Very important. All right, I have how many responses here? Nedum Oleba Nera Koko. Princess Ablahi Joy has come in also. Oleba Neri Akpokoko. All of them are good. Dr. Ablahi, I didn't say you should type, you should wave at me. Hit the like button on the YouTube. There is a like button there where you need to touch, okay, so that this live stream will carry that you like it, or people like it. It can also be displayed to more people. Even if they are not members of our channel, it can force them to join our membership. That is the importance of that. So please do me a favor. If you think we are doing well in this live class, hit the like button in this live class. Hit the like button in YouTube. You can be under the screen or above the screen, wherever your own is, not in the chat, but on YouTube, buttons directly, not on the chat. Hit the like button. Thank you for doing that. Right? Many of us have written Ole Banere Akpokoko. I guess those who have not written, maybe they don't know it. So let's go ahead to, give the answer. It's possible those who have not written don't know it. So let's give our final answer. Okay? Let's look at our answer. Please, this is our answer. Check what I've written now. Check what I've written now and see if it aligns with what you wrote. And I can see there are errors here and there. Akpokoko, most of you didn't get it. Okay, Joy tried in Akpokoko. She tried very well, but Dr. Blahi didn't get it well. Princess got Akpokoko also, but the Uku does not have dot under them. I think so. Let me be sure. Yes, it doesn't have. Who else? Okay. So make your corrections where necessary. I think Dr. Nedu too need to make a minor correction in his own. Nedu, Oleba Nere Akpukpo Oko. Your Oko is not correct. So make your corrections as necessary. Now from the screen. Okay? Make your corrections as necessary from the screen now. Correct your own write-up. Make your corrections now. Make your correction from the screen. And then as we are doing that, let's go to reply. Let's answer this question. Let's answer this question in the chat by ourselves with our own sentence, the way we know how to write a sentence. Reply this question. Oh, first, let's say the meaning of this question. We've not done that. The meaning of olebe anere akpokpo. Olebe anere akpokpo. What does that mean? Yes, let's go. Who is telling us the meaning? Olebe anere akpokpo. Tell us the meaning. Who is helping us with the meaning? Yes, let's go. Challenge yourself. Challenge others. What is the meaning of olebe anere akpokpo? Let's go. What is the meaning? Yes. Waiting for you to type the meaning of that. Olebe anere akpokpo. Yes, Dr. Blahi, correction. But we're now moving on. We are writing the meaning of the sentence. Olebe anere akpokpo. Let's go. Let's write the meaning of the sentence now. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Nake wrote, where do you sell shoes? Great effort. Great effort. Anybody coming in again? I've got response from Nake. Who else is answering this question? Who else is telling us the meaning of this question? Who else is telling us the meaning? Dr. Abdullahi. Where do they sell leg? Oh my God. Good effort anyway. You tried. At least Uku is leg. Uku is leg. You have done something. Joy. Where are the shoes sold? Good one. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Any other person coming in? Good effort. I like that. Different versions, different shades of response. That shows we are having many people together at different levels of understanding. That's why we need to be in a class, measure our level of progress, and see how much we can learn from others too, from our teacher and from other people around us. Yes. Okay. Nedum wrote, where are you selling shoes? Okay. 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 I think I need to mark this script now. Okay. Let me see. It appears network is messing up somehow. Yes. Where, who wrote first? Nake. Where are you? Where do you sell shoes? Okay. Where do you sell shoes? It's also correct. Or where are shoes being sold? Which one? Both Ablahi. Where do they sell? Hmm. Dr. Ablahi, if you are written shoes, where you put leg, yes, your sentence would have been very perfect. Where do they sell shoes or footwear? That's all. Where you put leg, change it to footwear. That would be fine. Joy, where are the what? Where are the shoes sold? That's still correct too. Medum, where are you selling shoes? Should be where are they? Where are shoes sold or where are they selling shoes? Okay, that's fine. Go ahead and reply this question. I don't know the place. I don't know. So if you know where they are selling the shoe in your locality, convert it to a sentence and give us the sentence now. Yes, give us the sentence. Reply to this question. You can see the comment below. Please type your reply in chat. Make a sentence in Igbo to say where they are selling shoe in your locality. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ na-ere ebe ahụ. Okay, that's joy for you. Let me get your own response. Tell us where they are selling shoe in your locality, but make it a sentence in Igbo. One person has done that. Yes. Okay. Nedum asks, what is the parent verb for na ere? Okay, the parent verb is re, R-E-E, which means sell. Okay, I'm answering Dr. Nedu now. Re, sorry, re is sell. That is the main verb, the parent verb. Re, that is sell. Okay, I'm answering Nedu now. Ire, okay, ire is to sell. Okay, ire is to sell. Hmm? Rere is sold. Okay? Why naire? Naire is selling or are selling. Okay? I hope Nedu have gotten a dose of what he wanted. And that is the importance of using computer for this live class so I can directly answer your questions. Right. Nnake wrote, akpụkpọ ụkwụ na-ere n'ụlọ ahịa. I got you. Any other response? Where are shoes sold? Where are footwear sold? Where are they being sold? Answer the question in Igbo language. Tell us where they are selling it. I don't know. But make a sentence in Igbo language with that. Okay? Who else is doing that? I got only 2 responses. No one else is coming in with a question and with that answer. Joy wrote akpụkpọ na ere ebe ahụ. I love that. Why Nake wrote akpụkpọ ụkwụ na-ere n'ụlọ ahịa. Good one. Dr. Blahi. A na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Dr. Blahi is trying, A na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ. A very good way to start the sentence. Very perfect way to start it. A na-ere akpụkpọ ụkwụ If you had put in added N comma on top before ahia, that would have been the best sentence for this, the best response. Anere akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Let me complete the sentence for him. Oh, sorry. Let me complete that sentence for Dr. Abdullahi. I think that should be a guide for everybody. Anna is Princess still in the class? I hope you are still here. Anere akpụkpọ ụkwụ n'ahịa. If you want to use just in the market, okay? N'ahịa. If you don't want to mention the name of the market, you just stop it at that point. Anere akpụkpọ ụkwụ n'ahịa. Okay? So that would have been a perfect sentence. And that's served that. So Dr. Blahi, I give it to you. Good effort from you. Great one. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. We are making progress. Okay. And the question is Ichoro. Izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Ichoro. Izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. That is the question. Write that question the way I said it. Ichoro. Izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Write the question the way I wrote it, the way I said it. Ichoro. Izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Let's go. Right. Ichoro. Izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Nedu means in. Princess. Ichoro izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Great one. Who else is writing? Let's go there. Ichoro. Izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. I got 2 responses already from Nedum, doctor, and Princess, the nurse. Who else is coming in? Join the nurse again. Ichoro izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Great one. Who else is coming in? Nake, where are you? Is Mr. Clement Emehen still in the class, or he has gone to somewhere else? I don't know. But surprisingly, some of you refuse to give this video a thumbs up. I don't know what is the problem. Whether I'm not doing it the way you wanted, I don't know why some of you refuse to give this live class a thumbs up. I got only 3 thumbs up here, only 3, but we are up to 7 or 8 in the class. That is not fair for your teacher. That is not fair. So if you've not done that, please do it now. Okay? Ichoro izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Joy Nake. Ichoro izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Great. Dr. Blahi. Ichoro izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. You tried. Very good effort. Okay? Very good effort. Very good effort. I'm going to pick the answer now, the final answer, and then share with us. Let's share the final answer now. Let's share the final answer. Icho izu akpụkpọ ụkwụ. That's the final answer. Please, most of you got it, but some missed it somehow. Some of the spellings, some of you didn't get it very well. So if you didn't get it well, look at the screen and correct yourself now. Look at the screen and correct yourself. If you didn't get it right, mark your script now. Update your record. Is Anna still in the class? Please, I want to be sure. Senior member Anna is our senior class member, senior family member. Is she still in the class? I want to be sure. Please let me know. Give me a shout out if you are still there, Anna. Please tell me you are there. You are a senior here. Anna is the only one that subscribed to senior family member. So we give her respect. Anna, are you still in the class? Please indicate, say, I'm still here. Let me be sure you are still in the class. Okay? Waiting for that. So, can you say Izu instead of Izuta? That is the question from Nedu. Always asking intelligent questions. I like those questions from Nedu, doctor. You are analyzing like a scientist, truly. Okay, Izu is the short form of Izuta. You can say izuta in place of izu, but izu is a smoother way, a short form of saying izuta is izu. So it's either you say it in full, which is izuta, or you say izu. Doctor, is that clear? That's the question. So the meaning of this sentence is already written by the Nnake family. Do you want to buy shoes or footwear? That is the meaning of this sentence, written by the Nnake family. So if you are writing, please update your record with that. The meaning of the sentence has been written by Nnake. Ichoro izota akpụkpọ or ichoro ịzụ akpụkpọ. Do you want to buy footwear? Now let's answer the question. Answer this question by yourself. Yeah, Dr. Abdullahi, that's correct. You have answered it. That is the meaning of the sentence. Now let's answer the question. Answer it in your own sentence. In your own sentence in the chat. Answer this question. Type your reply in the chat. You can see the instruction below. So let me have your response to this question. Type it, make your own sentence. Ichoro, izu, akpụkpọ. Answer the question by yourself in your own sentence. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do that now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Nedum say, achọghị m ịzụ akpụkpọ. Great one. Great response. Let me wait for others. Nedum has answered. Who else is answering this question? Who else is answering this question? Yes. Yes. Who else is answering this question? Who else is answering this question? Achọrọ m ịzụ atọ akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Joy, you serious? So for this new year, where it is hard like this, you want to buy 3? That's great one, Joy. Okay, Nedum has answered. Joy has answered. I wait for the rest to answer the question in your own language, in your own sentence. Make a sentence for yourself in response to this question. Ichoro, izu, akpụkpọ. Okay, I'm waiting for you to do that now. Answer this question in your own sentence. In your own sentence. Dr. Blind say, achọrọ m efere. Dr. Blind, we are talking about shoe. You don't enter another thing. You say you want to, you want plates. I don't understand you. Okay, Joy, your question is it? Are you want to say is it correct or what is your answer? Your question? Joy, what is your question? Achọrọ m ịzụ atọ akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Okay, you wanted to know whether your sentence is correct. The order is the problem. You should write achọrọ m ịzụ akpụkpọ ụkwụ atọ. Atọ will come behind. Okay? Is it achọrọ m or achọrọ? Achọrọ m is okay. Achọrọ m. The way you wrote it is okay. The way you wrote it is okay. Achọrọ m is okay. You can put the M together with choro or you put it separate. Please, choro is dot under the O's. Joy, you are choro. The 2 O's need to have dot under them. Choro. Look at the way I wrote my question. Choro. Copy from there. Dot under the O's. The only error in your sentence is that you wrote ato akpụkpọ, but in Igbo, the akpụkpọ will come first before the number. So it's going to be akpụkpọ ato. You know, in English, it's 3 shoes. The number comes first. But in Igbo, the number comes last. It should be akpụkpọ ato. Joy, is that clear? Please confirm if you understand what I explained. Nnake wrote, achọrọ m ịzụ akpụkpọ ụkwụ mara mma. Great. I want to buy beautiful footwear. Good. Doctor Abdullahi, mba. Achọrọ m ịzụ afere. Okay, now I get your answer. I get your answer. It's clearer now. Doctor said no. He wants to buy plates, not shoe, not footwear. Doctor, I get you now. Clear, clear, very clear. Okay. Okay. So that you guys are too much. Okay. Okay. That's great. Okay. Nedum wrote, achọghị m ịzụ akpụkpọ ụkwụ perfect. It means I don't want to buy footwear. This class is a very rich class. I'm sure Hannah will have a handful, to copy because there are so many answers and so many ideas coming into this class. Those who are copying will have a lot to copy, really. And this is good for us. And that's the reason why I'm throwing it back to you to use your brain and make inputs so that those who are, at a lower level can learn from us too, and we learn from other people at the same time. And that is very fine. Let's go to possible question today, the last expression today, which is Biko zutaram otu. Biko zutaram otu. Let's go. Write what I said. Biko zutaram otu. Please don't go away from the class. There is a very important information we will share at the end of this class. So don't exit the class until I say so. We have a very important information to share before the end of the class. So don't leave the class until I say so. I beg you. So next sentence. Biko zotaram otu. Nedum has written. Princess has written. Biko zotaram otu. Any other person? Any other person writing? I got Nedu, I got Princess, I got Joy. Okay, any other person writing that sentence now? Waiting for you. Clement Emehe seems to have left the class. I didn't see his responses again. Yes, because Utaram O2. I got 3 responses here. Nake is not in, maybe network problem. So, Nake Hana n'ebe ahụ n'aka ekpe. N'ebe ahụ n'aka ekpe. Wow. Anna, I didn't get what you mean. N'ebe ahụ n'aka ekpe. Okay, I didn't get what you mean. Anna, I'm lost. Please, Anna, clarify. What do you mean by n'ebe ahụ n'aka ekpe? I'm trying to connect that to what I'm saying now. I couldn't connect it. What do you mean? Please, Anna, please clarify that. N'ebe ahụ n'aka ekpe. What do you mean? I'm not very sure what you mean. Okay, Biko Zutaram Otu. Dr. Blahi, good one. So, all of you guys tried Biko Zutaram Otu. That's great. That's great. Let's mark our scripts. I believe almost all of you got it perfectly well. Almost all of you. But let's mark our script for uniformity's sake. This is what we got. Because Utaramo to O, don't forget about the O I added to it. It's for emphasis sake. Because Utaramo to O is just for emphasis. Okay, but if you stop because Utaram O2, you are correct. So mark your script now. Okay, Dr. Blahi, your Biko is not Biko. I think it's Biki you wrote. Yeah, you wrote Biki. So I believe it should be a typographical error. Okay, Biki Tutaram O2. Like I said you should not leave this class until I say so because I want to share very important information. Those of you who have not hit the like button, do that now. Now, the information is this. I discovered that majority of us have not joined or have not followed the procedure to be able to get our perks, benefits for this membership. It's either we don't know how to do it or we are not interested or we don't know the value of the things we offer you in this membership. Okay, before I go on with that, because Taramotu means what? Before we conclude, I go back to what I'm saying. What does it mean? Biko Zotaram Otu. Let's interpret it. And that's the last sentence before I share the information. Biko Zotaram Otu. What does it mean? Yes, give me the meaning of that. Biko Zotaram Otu. Let someone interpret it for us. What is the meaning of the sentence on the screen? Biko Zotaram Otu, just like emphasizing it. Okay? I'm waiting for that before I go back to what I was saying, because there's something I want to explain, very, very important information I want to share. Please buy one for me. Oh, Joy, you are too much. Okay. Princess, please buy one. Buy me one. Nake, please buy me one. Then Nedum, please buy me one. You guys are too much. You are correct. So, like I was saying before, before I let me this, before the last sentence, many of us have not been able to assess our benefit of the channel membership. It's either because we don't know how to do it or we don't know the importance of the things we have. So I want to take you through to procedure to claim all your benefits. The book, membership of Telegram, and the importance of that group. That group is where we share information that is peculiar to our membership. You must belong to that group. So how do you assess your pecs? Let's go. Go to my homepage. I'm going to share this this now. I'm going to share this screen now so that we can all follow as I explain. You have to be watching what I'm doing now. Okay? This is the screen I'm sharing now. I believe everybody can see my screen. So this is, assume that I'm a member of my channel. I go to YouTube, go to the top bar here and search for the Igbo tutor. Okay? This is the Igbo tutor. So that I can get to my own home page. This is the Igbo tutor here. You hit the Igbo tutor and then you land at my home page as a member of my channel. This is my home page, the Igbo tutor. I hope everybody is seeing what I'm doing. Please, if you are seeing what I'm doing, if you are seeing the screen and what I'm doing now, can you give me a thumbs up? Let me be sure you're seeing it. Say yes, I'm seeing it. Type a chat, say yes before I continue. Please type yes if you are seeing what I'm doing very well, so I can continue now. Okay. So this is my home page as my YouTube channel homepage. You go to this my homepage, it has to display like this. When it displays like this, you see the all these headings here: home, video, short, live, playlist, community. This is where I post some information. This membership. Do you see membership? You click on membership. When you click on that, you will go down. You will go down on this membership. When you go down, what do you see? You will see, membership here. You will see the Igbo family. That is your membership, the Igbo family. This drop down here is saying show pecs. Show pecs information. That means the benefits of this membership. Show me the benefit. Click on it like this, and then it will open up. If you are using phone, it might display immediately, but you need to click on one of the pegs to display the rest. It will open up like this. You will see the first benefit here. There is going to be a blue star attached to your name as a member. All of you have it against your name. You go down, you will see learners group on Telegram. Every member of the channel must belong to this Telegram group, because that's where we share exclusive information concerning our membership, the discussion we are having, or things we're going to share in future. Even a link to our live classes will always be posted there every Saturday. In fact, the testing we did today, we had discussion on this Telegram group on when to have the test, when to execute it. This is where we planned it. So if you are not here, you will not be carried along. So when you get to this Telegram group, you see instruction that say, click on the link below, okay, to join the learners group on Telegram. If you don't have a Telegram app installed in your phone or computer, it's not a problem. Go ahead and click this link. When you click on this link, what will happen? It will open to a window where you will be required to join the group. This is the window. This is the window. The Igbo family. That is the name of our Telegram group. And it has my logo there. That is Telegram group. If you don't have Telegram app installed in your phone already, you will see a link. Look at up here by the right, this blue button here. It says download. That is, if you don't have the app already in your phone or computer, you hit download to download the Telegram and then complete the formality to have your name in Telegram and have a registered, account. Then you come to go back after doing that to join. See, join group. You must join this the Igbo family. But if you have Telegram already, don't need to download again. Just go straight and click on join to join the Telegram group. Very, very important. All information that need to be shared here in this membership are shared here. In fact, if you want to change the book we are giving you, this is the only place you can make requests. Outside this, I will not attend to any other issue here. It must be in this group. Now, after joining this group, you go back and then to the membership pack where we have it. Go down again. You will see next benefit, priority reply to comment. Once you make any comment or make any request on any of my videos, once I see the blue badge, blue star on your name, I know you are a member. I will reply you whatever you ask me to do immediately. Going further downward, we have members only live stream. That's the one we're having today. In case you don't even remember or know where the link is to join our live stream, just go to membership here and go down to members only live stream. You will see the link here. That is the link to the current live stream we're having like today. Just go there straight and click on it and you join the live stream. Going down further, you will see free ebook plus audiobook monthly. This means you will be given free ebook, which also includes audiobook inside it. Every month you'll be given one. So for you to claim your book every month, you come here and go to this link. Are you seeing that? You click on this link here. That is your book link. This is the book we have for you for this month. You will see the book displayed. Then you go straight here to download the book into your phone or computer memory. That is the way to do it. But if you look at the book we are giving you this month, for example, this one we have displayed here, and you think you already have this book, what do? You go back to the Telegram group and say that I already have the book in display or the book in offer. I need another book. You can only make this request in the Telegram group. So when you get there, you will now indicate the name of the book you want. How do you know the name of the book you want? Look for a link to my bookshop, or ask for the link to the bookshop if you don't have it. Ask for it in the Telegram group. I will send it to you there. So you can go to the bookshop, click on the link and open the bookshop and go through all the books and choose which one you want as against the one in offer. Then you'll be given exactly that one you want via your Telegram personal DM. Is that right? So you come back again to the PEC page. You will see the live stream we are having today, all the current live stream we're having now, and the previous ones. They are all displayed here. So anyone you missed, you can come here directly. Instead of searching for it everywhere, you come here directly and look for any live stream that you miss. In case you didn't attend class or you are not opportune to be in a live class, you just go to membership, scroll down, you see all the previous live stream, including the one we're doing today. You click on it and watch anytime you want, right? So these are the benefits of membership. If you are a senior class family member like Anna, you will have another option down here which says contact the Igbo tutor directly. There you will have my direct phone number, WhatsApp number, or email address, or whatever you want to make a call to me for any personal discussion. There you will see it. So if you have not taken advantage of all this, it means you are missing out as a member of this channel. I hope you will do them today, and you'll be glad you did. So if you understand all I explained, please, can you indicate that you got all I explained and they are clear enough to you? If you understand them, can you confirm that you understand them? If you understand, please let me see you type yes. Yes, I got it. Let me see you type yes, I got what you explained. Yes. Type yes if you got what I explained very clearly. Okay, Joy got it. Joy have already done that before. Who else understood what I said? Especially those who have not done that, who have not joined the membership, the learners Telegram, and the rest of them. Who else have not done that? Some of us have left without waiting. I said they should wait to be able to hear this, but some have already gone. They didn't wait to do that. That is not fair enough. Yes, that is not fair enough. Okay, Nedum say you understand. Nedum already had done that before. So what about Nake? Have you done that? Do you get me very clearly? Princess, I've already done that before. So these ones that are giving me response, I've already done that. The only one that have not done that is Nake. I don't know about the rest, whether they are still in class or they have left the class already. And that is where we are bringing the class to a close today. I want to believe that we had a nice time together. And okay, Nedum said, have a question. Why did you say Zotaram instead of Zotam? Zota? Okay. Zota? Okay. Zotaram. Anyway, that is the way to say it in Igbo. Zota, Zotaram. You don't say Zotam. If you say Zotam as a word, okay, when you are referring to yourself as a first person, talking about yourself, if you say Zotam, you only said buy me. They can't buy you. They are not buying you. So, but if you say Zotaram, it is buy for me. But if you say Zotam, you are saying buy me. They can't buy you. They will buy something for you. So it's going to be Zotaram. But if you are saying buy this, buy that, you can say Zota this, Zota that. Okay? But if you want to refer to yourself to say buy for me, it has to be Zotaram, buy for me. I don't know whether that is clear enough, but that is the best explanation I can give for that, Doctor. They do. I think on that note, we're bringing this class to a close. If you think you've enjoyed today's class, please give us a thumbs up and then indicate you'll be here next Saturday to have more of this. Let's have your thumbs up, your reactions. Unfortunately, many of us seem to have left the class. I don't know what happened. They didn't listen to what I explained later, and that is not fair. Okay, Nedum, thank you. Who else enjoyed today's class? Who else got something from today's class? If you did, give us a thumbs up. Say thank you, email, show us some appreciation. Okay? Who else enjoyed the class of today? Joy, enjoyed the class. Joy, thank you. Seems Anna has gone. How about Ezenwa Princess? Are you still here? Or you have gone to Nake? Are you still there or you have gone? Okay, thank you, you guys, for your dedication. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your participation today. I think we had a very nice class today, and we hope it will continue to be, better as we go on. Promise you to always do my best to give you the best as always. See you again next Saturday. Okay, Messia Dalo. Okay.